Press and hold OK for 3 seconds until the LCD lights up and the device enters setting mode. Press Auto briefly. The single sheet indicator flashes and the device enters automatic adjustment mode. Use the feeding system to convey one sheet to the center between the sensors and stop it there. Press S set briefly. Wait until only the red double sheet LED is flashing, then remove the single sheet. Single sheet adjustment is complete. Use the feeding system to convey to sheets stuck together between the sensors. Press D set briefly. Wait until the red double sheet LED stays on. Double sheet adjustment is complete. Remove the sheet material so that there is no obstruction between the sensors. Press Z set briefly. The zero sheet indicator flashes. Press OK briefly to save. Zero sheet setting is complete. Press and hold back to exit automatic adjustment mode and enter working mode. The measurement can now begin. Place a one sheet between the sensors. The detected threshold is greater than the single sheet threshold but less than the double sheet threshold. A single sheet signal is output. The single sheet indicator light turns on. Place two sheets between the sensors. The detected threshold exceeds the double sheet threshold. A double sheet signal is output. The double sheet indicator light turns on. Measurement complete. The device is operating normally.